Imagine a car so luxurious and futuristic that it feels like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie. Luxury car brands aren't just redefining transportation, they're creating art on wheels. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 concept luxury cars of 2025 that will blow your mind. Buckle up, it's about to get exciting. Concept cars aren't just prototypes, they're visions of what's possible when imagination meets engineering. These cars showcase cutting-edge technology, bold designs, and luxury features we've only dreamed of. Luxury cars have always been about blending performance, design, and technology into a masterpiece. But what happens when car makers push the boundaries of imagination? Today, we're diving into the top 5 concept luxury cars of 2025 that will absolutely blow your mind. Number 5, Rolls-Royce Spectral Phantom. Starting off our list is the Rolls-Royce Spectral Phantom. This isn't just a car, it's a sanctuary of futuristic luxury. The Spectral Phantom redefines opulence with its fully customizable, interactive cabin. Picture this: holographic displays that wrap around the interior, offering real-time updates and even celestial projections for night drives. First on our list is the Rolls-Royce Spectral Phantom, a masterpiece in motion. This electric luxury sedan features a fully illuminated body that changes colors based on your mood. And the interior? A private lounge with customizable virtual skylines projected on the roof. Starting price: a jaw-dropping $5 million, but hey, can you really put a price on perfection? The Spectral Phantom is also equipped with a groundbreaking, whisper drive technology, making it the quietest electric vehicle ever. And yes, the doors still open like a theater curtain because Rolls-Royce knows drama. Number 4, Mercedes-Benz Vision EQX. Next, we have the Mercedes-Benz Vision EQX, a true symbol of sustainable luxury. This car is designed to be ultra-lightweight and hyper-efficient, boasting a range of over 1,000 kilometers on a single charge. The exterior looks like it's been sculpted by the wind itself, with an impressive drag coefficient of just 0.17. But the real magic? Inside, you'll find an AI-powered infotainment system that learns your preferences and even adjusts the lighting and music to suit your mood. This fully autonomous luxury coupe is powered by AI that adapts to your driving preferences. But here's the kicker: it features biometric seats that adjust temperature and firmness to your exact comfort level. And that glowing dashboard? It's made of sustainable crystal OLED screens. The future never looked so good. Number 3, Audi Skysphere. Finally, topping our list is the Audi Skysphere. This isn't just a car, it's a transforming masterpiece. Yes, you heard that right. The Skysphere can literally adjust its shape and length depending on whether you want to drive or relax. With a retractable steering wheel, luxurious lounge seating, and full autonomy, the Skysphere gives you the freedom to enjoy the thrill of driving or the serenity of a chauffeur experience all in one car. It's like having 2 cars in one. Number 2, BMW Halo iX. His concept is all about sustainability without compromising luxury. BMW is taking recycling to the next level by designing a car made entirely from renewable or recycled materials. BMW is redefining luxury with the Halo iX. This concept SUV is entirely solar-powered, featuring a panoramic roof embedded with solar cells. Inside, AI-powered holographic assistants handle everything from navigation to adjusting the mood lighting. With zero emissions and a minimalist design, it's the ultimate blend of sustainability and style. The iVision Circular also introduces a minimalist interior with controls embedded directly into the dashboard. And let's not forget about the crystal clear roof that floods the cabin with natural light. It's like driving a modern greenhouse. Number 1, Audi Skysphere. Finally, topping our list is the Audi Skysphere. This isn't just a car, it's a transforming masterpiece. Yes, you heard that right. The Skysphere can literally adjust its shape and length depending on whether you want to drive or relax. With a retractable steering wheel, luxurious lounge seating, and full autonomy, the Skysphere gives you the freedom to enjoy the thrill of driving or the serenity of a chauffeur experience all in one car. It's like having 2 cars in one. These concept cars show us that the future of luxury isn't just about speed and power, it's about innovation, sustainability, and creating experiences that go beyond transportation. And there you have it, the top 5 concept luxury cars of 2025. Which one left you speechless? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more jaw-dropping content like this. Until next time, stay inspired and keep dreaming big.